p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dawson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dawson, Leesburg, Albany, Smithville, Sasser, Broadwood, Parent, Bridges Cross Road, Aaron, Jordan Place, Yeomans, Clarks Mill, Dawson Municipal AP, Vine Crossroads, Graves, Scutchins, Armena, Oakville, Oliver's Mill, and Miami. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office.